Hi children, how are you? Hope you are fine. We discussed breathing system and skeletal system previously. I hope you understood them well. Have you read those topics from any other source? I am going to give assignments on the topics covered online. You must listen again and again the lesson, whatever I taught you online. This would improve your knowledge. Now, children, I am going to say about another most important parts of our body, the joints. The joints, the bones are held together to form a joint. The end of each bone is covered by a tough, smooth, shiny substance called cartilage. The bones are held together by strong, stretching, band-like structure, that is tissues called ligaments. You can see the picture. There are 4 types of joints present in our body which show different movements. The first one, hinge joint. Second one, the ball and socket joint. Third one, the pivot joint. Fourth one, gliding joint. First one, the hinge joint. It works like the hinge of the door. The bones connected by this joint move in one plane only. Example, elbow, knee, toes, and finger. The second one, the ball and socket joint. In this joint, one bone which has a ball-like end fits into the hollow socket of another bone. Example, shoulder joint and hip joint. Third one, the pivot joint. Example, neck joint. It moves up and down when we signal yes and sideways when we signal no. Fourth one, gliding joint. We can bend forward or backward or sideways. That is, wrist, ankle are the examples. Our next topic is sense organs. Do you know, children, how many sense organs are present in our body? There are 5 sense organs in our body. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. The first one, eyes. You can see the picture. Each eye is placed in a bony socket in the skull. They are protected by eyelids and eyelashes. These also protect our eyes from dust and dirt. The dark structure in front of the eyeball is called the iris. The small round black spot in its center is called the pupil. The pupil allows light to enter the eyes. The retina at the back of the eyeball is the screen on which all images get formed. The eye is connected to the brain by a nerve called the optic nerve. Next one, second one, nose. There are nerve endings present in the nose which carry messages about smell of different substances. There are 2 nasal openings through which inhalation and exhalation takes place. You can see the picture. Third one, ears. Human ear is divided into 3 parts. First one, external ear. Second one, middle ear. And third one, inner ear. The portion that is visible to us is known as external ear. External ear may vary in shape, size in different animals. It is entirely different from one person to other person also. The outer ear directs the sound waves to the inner ear. The middle ear has an eardrum and 3 small bones which convey the vibrations from the eardrum to the inner ear. The inner ear helps us to hear and maintain the balance of our body. The next one is tongue. Tongue has taste buds which are sensitive to 4 different tastes: sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. Human tongue has nearly 9,000 taste buds. Our next sense organ is skin. The skin forms natural protective covering of the entire body. It helps us to feel pain, tough, pressure, hotness, and coldness. Sense organs in different animals. Now children, let us see how different animals use different organs to sense different things. The first one, insects. Insects such as cockroach, housefly, and butterfly have feelers on their bodies. These insects smell and taste with the help of these feelers. You can see the picture. Next, water animals. Fish can feel the waves produced in water by other living animals. They feel these waves through their lateral line. This helps them to detect their prey or know about the enemy present around them. You can see the picture, children. Next one, birds. Birds have sense organs, eyes, ears, etc., which enable them to see, to feel, to smell, to hear, and to taste. Besides these responses, they also make different sounds to inform other birds about different situations. Next, reptiles. Do you know what are reptiles, children? Snakes, crocodile are known as reptiles, tail animals. Reptiles like snakes have a long tongue which help them to feel and smell. A snake senses the availability of food through its tongue only. The snake feels different kinds of vibrations on the earth through its skin. You can see the picture of the snake. Next, mammals. All mammals have sense organs, but some mammals have a special power either to smell, to hear, or to see. You can see the picture, children. Here, for example, dog. Dogs have highly developed sense of smell. You might have observed. Bats have special power to hear high-pitched sounds. Due to this ability, bats can detect their prey easily even in the dark. They detect their prey with the help of high-pitched sounds known as ultrasonic sounds. That's all for today, children. Thank you.